Welcome to our tutorial on how to design your webshop using MooCommerce. In this video, I'll walk you through familiarizing our MooCommerce dashboard, and we will start designing our webshop. Now let's get started. Once you have your account, log into the backend, and here you can access the dashboard. This dashboard helps you navigate easily all the most important aspects of your webshop. But if you want to go into detail, then you may access the front end. Once you get your access, click the small widget here of MooCommerce logo and customize. Here you can see some options which you can also see from the dashboard, but in detail, you can finally customize your chosen template here. So for example, we have this template for kids fashion. Make sure that your branding and logo is ready as well as the images for your landing page. Quick tip, here are things that you need to prepare before designing your webshop. Once you have everything prepared, now let me help you familiarize with the dashboard and its functions. Page. This is where you add and manage your pages in your webshop. You can also customize your page layouts here. Header. It is one of the most important parts of your entire website because it needs to provide answers right from the start. Breadcrumb. This marker lets the user know where they are within your site. Sidebar. This narrow vertical area is located alongside the main display area, typically containing related information or navigation options. Footer. This may include page numbers, creation dates, copyrights, or references appearing on a single page or all pages. Menus is where you configure your footer menus, primary menu, and top menu. Widgets. This allows further customizations for your footer and header menu widgets. You may explore all tabs to see more options. These are all the important highlights that you should know when you are about to customize your webshop. Now, let's try to apply what's on my branding now. On the next video, we'll dive deep to uploading products and customizing product pages.